going, man?
You ready?
Every day, bro.
Let's do it. So you're gonna put your seatbelt on?
Nah, bro.
What do you mean, nah, bro?
Just know I'm not gonna put my seatbelt on.
Just put it on so we can get going.
It's all good, bro.
You know what they say, safety first.
Yeah, bro, I'm safe.
It's the law.
This is Mexico. You don't gotta worry about that kind of stuff, bro.
This is my car, and I worry about that stuff.
Dude, it's just a seatbelt.
You serious right now? It's not just a seatbelt. It's like a life jacket. It keeps you from drowning.
I can swim.
You either put it on, or I put it on for you.
Psych. I got to pee.